Hey there, Tamir from Fibonacci-Traders.com here. Monday, pre-market preparation. It's FOMC week, March 18th. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are in the world. Say hi, don't be shy. Good morning, Ingrid. Thank you very much for joining. Hi, Eddie. Thank you very much for joining. Let me know, how do you see me? How do you hear me? Let's adjust the lights a little bit. Too bright in my opinion. Hi Erez, hi Samsung, how is Boston this morning? I can tell you here in China it's pretty cold. Now it's 8:30 p.m. It's around 4 degrees. Hi Todd, thank you very much for joining. Ahuza, thank you very much. Amir, what do we see on the chart? We have futures, SPX futures. This is the US 500. On the right side, we have the 2 hours time frame. On the left side, we have the 15 minutes time frame. We got ourselves a bullish candle over here, as we can see. And this yellow trend line is holding pretty good since February of 22nd. Every time price reached this trend line, we got ourselves a buy signal and we went long. Now I want to see price hanging above the yellow zone. On the 15 minutes it looks like this, maybe retesting the yellow zone before the next leg up. Hi Amir, hi Semyon, thank you very much. Hello Petah Tikva. Tom from New Mexico. How is New Mexico? Been there. It's already 10 years since I've been in New Mexico. Hi Avi, Amir, the US 500 is the futures, the SPX futures. You have two kinds of futures. You have the US 500 and you have the ES1. The ES1, the ES E-mini. You have also these futures. You see, price is a little bit different. According to these futures, the ES1, it's the S&P E-mini futures, where if you are a future trader, if you are a contract trader, you trade according to this. But I'm not a futures trader. I'm not trading contracts, so I trade the SPY, which is the SPX ETF. I trade according to the US 500. Thank you very much, Ingrid. Look here on the left corner. How do you like it? Thank you very much, Ingrid, for this amazing super chat. Thank you very much. Let's talk about MSTR for Ingrid. Ingrid, this is the MSTR. Too many trend lines. We don't need all of them. Now, what do you see on MSTR? First, if you're asking about MSTR, maybe you've missed. 1 second. This is the Fibonacci Traders YouTube channel. Last weekend, I've uploaded so many videos. Top stocks in English, top stocks in Hebrew, the truth about technical analysis. If you haven't seen it yet, this is a video you should see. The truth about technical analysis. Top stocks buy list in Hebrew also. Top 5 mistakes you want to avoid. And we have the trading week recap in Hebrew and in English. So many, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 videos during the last weekend. So go into the Fibonacci Traders YouTube and check all of them. Choose your language. Basically, the truth about technical analysis is how I trade, what's working for me, and top 5 mistakes is the most significant mistakes I've done during my journey as a trader And of course, I provide solutions that might work for you also, solutions that worked for me and made me the professional trader that I am today. So watch it. Fibonacci Traders YouTube channel. Also, you have the playlist over here. All you need to do, we have the Fibonacci's Traders Academy playlist. We already have here 39 videos on how to become a better trader, technical analysis, and on the psychology behind trading. You have a video on the FTI. What is the FTI? You have how to become from a novice to a professional trader. What else do we have? We also have super interesting videos. How to master the ATR, how you handle your stop loss, and more. So check it out, the Fibonacci Traders Academy playlist. This is a must watch. So like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you won't miss any future videos. To your request, Ingrid, MSTR, MicroStrategy, uptrend, super uptrend. Now let's see continuation above this area, above the 1815 towards 2181 and then 2647. Pretty cold in New Mexico. We're in New Mexico. Hi Ron, thank you very much for joining. Osher wants snow. Can we analyze snow? Let's see what snow says. If you have the FTI on your chart, you need no one else, because the FTI gives you everything that you need. Look at this. We are inside the downtrend channel, below a sell signal. That's it. We are also below the yellow zone, which is the most important zone of support and resistance. Look left. It was. Look, price hanged in the yellow zone. It was support, it was resistance until it broke to the upside. Now breaking to the downside. Snow below 156 goes to the 134 area. This is snow. IO and Q. IO and Q, same thing. If you have the FTI on your chart, you need nothing else. What does the FTI tells us? We are in a downtrend channel, below a sell signal, below the yellow zone. The now 905 is a super important area of support. Look left, super important area of support. Breaking below it, we are heading towards the 8, 19, and then 7. If you want to go long on IO and Q, for now, in my opinion, there is no long on this name. What else do we have? Hi Sharon, thank you very much for joining this live. Talu, Google 5% to the upside. Yeah, very nice. Also Tesla 4.3. We might get some kind of a bounce after last week. And the SPY, RGTI. Rigetti Computers. Who asked for this? Tom. Nice. What's the volume on this one? Do we have a volume? Let's see. Let's see what's the volume on this one. Nice volume. Earnings. We are past earnings. Now, look at this. Let's eliminate this one. We don't need it anymore. Look at this. We are above the yellow zone. We are inside an uptrend channel. Nice. I'm putting this on my general watch list and my watch list. I want to see a break above the 236. Long continuation above the 2. You can start long continuation above the 208. Your risk management. No need to break your head. Below this yellow zone, below this line, should be, and as you can see, the FTI gives us also where to put our stop loss. The green line. If you go long above 210, your stop loss should be for now at 182. The FTI, everything that you need, everything is according to the Fibonacci. You can adjust everything that you want. All these are default settings according to my knowledge and my experience. Also, we have the trend lines, channels based on Fibonacci. You can add another one, another channel, so it will become a little bit more accurate. This is how it looks. So if you want, you're more than welcome to check the links in the description below. Choose your path to financial freedom. I promise you, if you choose Fibonacci-Traders as your path to financial freedom, I will do everything in my power to be at your service. What else do we have? Itik. Hey, you came back from Phuket. How was Phuket? Hi, Maho. Shalom, shalom. More wants coin. Let's check coin. Coin broke below the uptrend channel. We are below the sell signal. For now, I want to see continuation inside this uptrend channel. This area, the 211, needs to hold the support. For now, in my opinion, no long. Let's see another day closing inside the uptrend channel. Then we will reassess going long on coin. Hi, guy. How are you, my friend? ISRG. 4 Eli. Holding strong inside an uptrend channel. Look how easy it is to get. Where is it? What happened to me here? Something happened. Here. Look how easy it is to analyze and make decision when you have the FTI. Uptrend channel, long continuation above the 403, and then you have all these levels to the future of price action. Risk management below the yellow zone, below the 383. Of course, everything is in my opinion based on 7 years plus of experience in the market and with the great help of this amazing tool, the FTI. AAP looks like really interesting stock. AAP looks super interesting. Long continuation above the 82 area. Then you have the 87, 80, and then the 95. Uptrend channel above the green line, above the yellow zone. Super nice. Thank you very much for bringing this up on our radar. This is why I love making these lives. You bring me very interesting names. So AAP, long continuation above the 81, 82. Your stop loss should be just below the 77 or just use the green line, the 76, 65. What else do we have? SENX. Sorry. Foron. For now, you have this area, super tough resistance, long continuation above it towards the 13, 15, and 1410. Overall, we are inside an uptrend channel above the yellow zone, above the green line. All good for CENX. What else do we have? Thank you very much, Guy, for this amazing super chat. Thank you very much, Ellie. Thank you very much for this also amazing super chat. I appreciate every one of you. Just hit the like, hit the subscribe. Let's grow this channel together. What else do we have? STLD. Guy, you know you can ask all of these. In the Discord, as a premium member, you have special access to the premium room, to the swing lounge. This is our Discord. We have multi-language. We have trading floor in Hebrew. We have trading floor in English. Premium room, swing lounge, options, crypto, general chats. Also in Hebrew, premium, swing, chat. You have a course zone for students, past, present, and future students. Also, you have access to the FTI signals channel. This is a channel where the FTI brings us signals automatically. This is automation signals. It's not me. It's purely based on what the FTI says. It gives a sell signal. Yesterday, it gives Bitcoin sell signal time frame 4 hours. as you can see, 2 times. Last Friday he gave us PayPal, BROS. It gives us also for day trading, as you can see, according to the time frame, 65, 15, 2 hours. Daily it's for swing trading. So if you want an access to the FTI signals and to the rest of these rooms where we focus solely on making money, as you can see, not much of text or noise, just ideas, setups, where to enter, where to put your stop loss. We make money. Join the Fibonacci-Traders Discord. We make money. NUE for Guy. Nice. Look at how trend lines are the true support resistance for price action. We also have a buy signal last Friday. Now let's see continuation above the yellow zone. Next, you have the 190.50, 195, and then you, as long as NUE is inside this uptrend channel, we are good to go long. What else do we have? Santa Fe. How is it? In Santa Fe, I never been in Santa Fe. How is it, Tom? Worth visiting? What's your business there? Just chatting. No need to answer. Just chatting. AAOI. What do you see? We see a double top scenario breaking below the 12.13. You will see 8. What happened here? Who played with my... I'm missing some... Who played with my FTI? Anyway, below this one, check it out. You have a double top scenario. Below the 12.14, you will see 9.16 to the downside. So pay attention. What else do we have? What do you think about Uber? Uber. What's going on with Uber? We are in a very long uptrend, but we also have a sell signal a few days before back because the FTI recognized that this area super tough resistance. Uber now needs to hold above this trend line, above the yellow zone. Otherwise, it's going for this gap at the 69. Long continuation, in my opinion, only above 80 for now. Only above 2-3 days above the 78 and then towards the 82 once again. What else? AMD, Harel, once again, you did not watch my stock market weekly edition. AMD, uptrend, sells below the sell signal. Let's see continuation above the 202. For now, AMD looks like bulls needs to take a rest after this bull run. Some days cool off inside the yellow zone, maybe just hanging above the 202, maybe just hanging above the 106. But overall, if you want to go long on AMD, we need to wait for a break above the 201. AAP, yeah, looks very good. What's going on with Roku? The stock keeps bouncing on the trend line. Long time since I checked this stock. You see here, major support. Look left. It was major support over here. Resistance. This 60, 61 area, super important area for support for Roku. Breaking below 52, 46. We are below the sell signal. We are below the trend lines. We are below the yellow zone. Nothing much on Roku unless you want to go short below 61, and then 52 is your next support. What else? Zscaler ZS for magic. Can you do some magic on Zscaler because it's breaking below already broke below the uptrend channel, now needs to hold the 193. Below it, 178, 168, and all these red levels to the downside. What else do we have? CLSK. CLSK basically moving sideways, nothing much. As you can see, sideways move. Bitcoin goes up, Bitcoin goes down. CLSK goes sideways. We might get sideways move until it will meet this lower border of this uptrend channel. For now, if you want to go long, in my opinion, only above 1980. Below this area, below the 1376, this gap at the 1050 will get filled. What else? MSOS. The US cannabis ETF. Nice. Broke above, finally broke above this trend line, this downtrend line. Now let's see continuation above 935, and then you will see 864. If you're already long on this name, your stop should be just below Friday's lows. Your stop loss should be just below Friday's lows. Long continuation above 932 towards 990 and 1064. We broke the, look at the FTI, how it helps you make better decisions, emotionless decisions. You got yourself a buy signal. Why? Because it broke the downtrend channel, broke inside, back inside the yellow zone. Now all you need is continuation above the yellow zone, and then you have all the rest of the levels for future price actions as future resistance. What else do we have? Sorry, Discord. Oh, sorry. So, what did we miss? Let's do once again. What did we miss? Everything. From where? Sorry about it, guys. Let's do it again. AAOI. Downtrend until proven otherwise. Below the 12 we will see 916. You have a double top scenario over here. You have sell signal below the yellow zone inside the downtrend channel. Let's go over once again everything super fast. Uber, we have an uptrend, but in the last few days, we can say in the last month or so, sideways move, breaking below this 75.50. You will see this gap getting filled. Long continuation only 2-3 days above the 78. What else did we had? AMD uptrend, but we are at the lower border of this yellow zone. We are at the lower border of this uptrend channel. Let's see, can AMD bulls hang inside and above this trend line? For now, if you want to go long on AMD, in my opinion, only above the 202. What else do we had? What else did we have? Roku, downtrend channel, the 61 area, super important area of support and resistance. Just look left, look here, since September of 2022, resistance, support, now once again support, breaking down and under. You have all the levels to the downside, continue sliding down inside the downtrend channel, which the FTI magically provides us everything that we need to get a better point of view and better decisions. ZS for magic. No magic for ZS. Broke below the uptrend channel. Now needs to hold the 194, not 195. Below it, you have a gap over here and a touch at the 178. No long for now. And Zscaler. What else did we had? CLSK, as we said, going sideways since already 1 month. As you can see, sideways move. You want to go long, in my opinion, only above 1977, breaking below the 1360, below the lower border of the yellow zone. you will see this gap at the 1050 getting filled. MSOS broke above the downtrend channel, broke inside the yellow zone, long continuation above the higher border, the 940, and then you will see 993 and 1060. Look how the FTI once again helps you make better decisions, emotionless decisions. You got yourself a buy signal last Friday because price broke up, closed above the downtrend channel, broke and closed inside the yellow zone. What else did we had? We can see, yeah, now you can see, we can see, now you can see. Okay, what else? C. 4 Cs. C4 Therapeutics. What's the volume on this one? Nice volume. Broke below uptrend channel. This is why you got yourself a sell signal. You're also inside the yellow zone. Now the 50% retracement, the 850 area needs to hold. It was resistance over here, resistance over here, resistance over here, needs to hold. Otherwise 750, 760 to the downside, below it, back to the 5. What else? CSGP. Costar Group. Let's put this one to the downside. Okay, or to the upside, never mind. What do we see here? CSGP broke above an uptrend channel, super bullish. Cannot be more bullish than breaking above an uptrend channel. Next, 100, 105, and yes, also 121. Very nice. Still have time for next earnings. Very nice. CSGP, your stop loss, in my opinion, should be just below the 89. 89, very important area of support and resistance. So breaking below it for now, you want to go out and close this long. What else do we have? Good evening to you too, Orin. Snow, we already talked about snow. We talked about snow. Downtrend until proven otherwise. Hi Allah, thank you very much. PLTR. Ignore the news. Ignore what everybody says about PLTR. What do you see on PLTR? Let's talk about charts. Not the FOMO. Not fundamentals. Not if it's a good company or not. We don't care about the company. We don't care what the company is doing. What we care is what the stock is doing. And the stock now going sideways, as you can see, since beginning of February. Sideways move. The yellow zone needs to hold. We got ourselves a sell signal a few days back. Look at this. Snow. PLTR, sorry. 15% since its high of Friday, March 8th. Breaking below, and this gap at the 1780 needs to hold. Ladies and gentlemen, trade the chart. Don't trade what you think. Don't trade what you want to think or what you want to happen or what anybody else says. We don't care. The only thing we care is price action. And with the FTI and your chart, so your life as traders just got much more easier. Because if you see few days back the sell signal from the FTI and you're already long, you know it's time maybe to manage your long positions a little bit tighter. And if you're not long yet on PLTR, so it helps you avoid FOMO. This is why we trade price. We don't trade what we think. We don't trade fundamentals. We don't trade anything else. And it doesn't matter what anybody else thinks. And it doesn't matter how many subscribers, followers on Twitter, YouTube, or any other platform they have. We trade price. SBO. SBO. What is SBO? Silver bow resources. Uptrend. 32 now needs to hold the support. If you're already long, this should be your stop loss. Long continuation above the 34. Then you will see 36 and into this gap to the 41. Overall, nice uptrend above the low zone, above the green line. Nice, Orin. Thank you very much. Can we do Bitcoin? Here's the Bitcoin. You want Bitcoin like here? We can do also Bitcoin here. What do we see on Bitcoin? Uptrend. We got ourselves the sell signal Saturday, because on the 4 hours it looked like this. Because of this candle over here, once we broke below the 4 hours chart yellow zone, we got ourselves the sell signal on the daily. Now this yellow zone needs to hold. Bitcoin now let's see if it can hold also above the lower border of this uptrend channel. Next, 73,666, new all-time highs, and then 80, 88, and 113. But this yellow zone needs to hold. If this yellow zone will not hold, 58, and then back to the 49. Once again, trade the chart. Don't trade what you want or what you think or what anybody else thinks. The only thing that matters is what price tells us and what the market is telling us. The story that the market tells us, the language the market is speaking to us is the candles, pure price action, and with the FTI, super easy to translate. What else? PGR. PGR, nice uptrend, super uptrend, super nice. Long continuation above the 206, then 214, 224. Your stop loss should be just below the 19 here. You have the FTI gives you. Your stop loss should be 198.90. Of course, everything you see here is not financial advice. Please always do your own due diligence. Never follow anyone blindly on social media. Don't let anyone tell you what to do with your money. It's your money. Take care of your money. And if you don't know how to trade, and if you don't know how to put your stop loss, or if you think stop loss is pointless, please stop trading. Go to the Fibonacci Academy playlist, watch all the 39 videos, and then if you want to become a professional, profitable trader, talk to me. We have the one-on-one live mentorship program. This is all that we have over here. The university from Fibonacci Traders. You have the Master Fibonacci Universe. You get one-on-one live, lifetime access for support, guidance, all Discord channels, and of course, lifetime access to the revolutionary FTI system. The one-on-one concludes 4 sessions with me. You choose English or Hebrew. You choose the time. We choose the time together. We have the one-on-one mentorship, which is basically same as the master without the FTI. You have the online expert course available in English and in Hebrew. Basically, it's the same as the one-on-one mentorship, but pre-recorded. You have it in English, you have it in Hebrew, you have the ultimate membership, you can do one-on-one. We have the quick course, the 120 minutes, you have the gold membership. Just go in the Fibonacci Discord, choose your path to financial freedom. Once you choose your path, I will be 100% committed to your success. What else do we have? Thank you very much, Orin, for this amazing super chat. What do you think about this? Here, left corner, left upper corner. This, I don't know, the box, the green box that's jumping here. Thank you very much, Orin. Mara. We have enough time for Mara. let's talk about Mara. Mara, we are under the sell signal. We are under the yellow zone. We have a massive, massive double top scenario over here. The 1614 needs to hold. Otherwise, 1190 and 930 incoming. We can take Fibonacci to the downside. And this is how it looks. Something happened here, and I don't like it. Something happened. I will fix it later. Basically, below the 1614, you have this massive double top scenario incoming. What else do we have? Apple for Ingrid. Ingrid, you did not see the weekly market review. Apple, look at this. Multi-month, almost 1 year. Double top scenario. Super important area of support is 168. If this 168 fails to hold, this slide to the downside towards the 153 and then to this gap over here at the 146 with a touch at the 144. CVNA we talked about, Alon. We talked about CVNA, right? CVNA, I don't remember. Moving sideways, long continuation above the 89-90 area, still inside an uptrend channel, but we got ourselves the sell signal from the FTI because the FTI identifies that all this area, the 83-84 area, super tough resistance, needs to hold above the 71 together with this lower border of the uptrend channel. Otherwise, this gap at the 53 will get filled. Let's see futures. Futures now holding above the yellow zone on 2 hours. This is how it looks on the 15 minutes. Let's see breaking above the 51.62 and then we will see 51.70, 51.80 and then 52 to the upside. Thank you very much, Guy, for this feedback. I appreciate you and the feedback very, very much. Thank you very much, Osher. So once again, thank you very much, everyone, for joining this live. I appreciate each and every one of you. Just hit the like, hit the subscribe, and join the Fibonacci-Traders Discord. I guarantee you will start see almost immediate results. Until the next live, until the next video, please stay safe.